In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check recently watched reels on Instagram, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, I'm going to be showing you two methods. They're not 100% foolproof for any situation where you want to see your history, but it is a good way for a few situations. So the first way that you're going to use is to actually click on the Reels button. And let's say I really like this reel that is on the screen right now. But if I scroll down and I watch Reels for a bunch of time, and then let's say I go back to my home and do different things like watch different posts and like them, that's okay. As long as you didn't close the Instagram app out, you can go back to Reels and you'll be able to scroll up to that reel that you wanted to see. Now, as you know, if this was a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, you can't see your history because you've closed out Instagram several times already. Now, the second way to actually see your history is to do with reels that you have interacted with. So for example, let's say I like this post and I close out Instagram. It doesn't matter. If I have interacted with this post, I can go to my profile, click on the three lines, click on your activity, and then look at interactions and likes. As you can see, the reel that I have liked will show up, and any reels that you have liked will also show up. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.